Branding is never done. It's in perpetual motion. It's your people, it's your culture, it's your services, it's your way of life.
So look your partner in the eye. I want you to say this: have no fear.
Nike is a powerful example of a brand that really uses storytelling. It's a great picture of a boy who was a bit on the heavy side. And you see him running, and it says, "Find your greatness." And it's a picture that tells such a powerful story.
I want you to say this to me: I am a CEO. I am the CEO of my brand. And the day you were born, you became a brand. And everything you say or do, every single action, every single word, the way you communicate, the way you project yourself, determines your success.
Well structured, good message, clear message, consistent message.
I highly appreciate your passion. I mean, this is really crucial for us.
He has opened my eyes and shared very insightful things which I could really apply to business.
So the question I have for all of you is this: are you ready to turn on your brand?
I've been doing this for a long, long time.
Like, I love everything about branding.
You see who wrote to me? Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna make Coca-Cola disappear.
There is this underutilization of stories today.
Possible or not?
Stories can change your organization.
So Turn Me On is really not just about brands like products or services. It's also about people. And it's about people in all walks of life.
A senior executive of Disney walks in, looks over Thomas's shoulder and says, "Thomas, stop! This is not the Disney brand."
And Thomas goes, "What's wrong with my email, sir? It's a professional email."
The senior executive proceeds to take a piece of paper and a colored crayon.
"Hi, this is Mickey Mouse.
Why don't you come, play with us, and bring Teddy home?"
Customer for life.
This, I think, one of the best. Really, it's really good job. Thank you, Jerome.
I think in today's world, brand equity is worth a lot, and the right person to go to will definitely be Jerome Joseph.
Stories about real people, about real companies. It was great. Thank you.
And it is through your actions, your thoughts, your deeds that helps build this personal brand.
But on the weekend, Tom becomes Tom Cruise.
Oh, a bit unsure now, right?
And Tom gets on his Harley Davidson and rides like he's the king of the road.
My DJ name was DJ Brown Sugar.
And there's a huge transformation that comes from feeling like he belongs. There were thousands of people running around the streets, shouting, screaming.
I want to create tangible results at the end of my session. I want you to start thinking about how can I craft my brand.
If you are comfortable, you are in trouble. Your brand is that light that shines. We all, each one of us in this room, we have fears. But it's what you do about it. And we're going to symbolically release our fears. 1, 2, 3!